Hi, this is my bike check for 2012. Got your 2010 King transition frame. Rod with your brake mounts grounded off. Your McNeil combined crank and weight. Your tree sponge drive sprocket and your shadow interlock E2 chain. Got a G Sport ratchet, lace to a G Sport roll cage, and a duo starter low tire, turn wall. Got duo Resi light passers pedals and a McNeil SL seat. And I got your Clad Ashley Charles bars. Fit DLD stem with hollow shiggy bolts. Salt headset and Odyssey Director forks and watermelon. Odyssey plug-in hoop lays to a Odyssey Rendero 2 prototype pump and a Clat control tire. Yeah. I forgot the Chase Hawk grips because I do ride like motherfucker. You got it. Bye.